Chlolivi here. So this is the beginning of this vlog. We're gonna go to Vegas. Well, I'm already in Vegas, but you guys will see leading up to that. But yeah. Alright, I'm all packed for Las Vegas. Have all my stuff ready. And I'm bringing my little cat pillow. Oh! Having fun? You have fun out here? Hmm? Oh, we're all in dirt, kitty. Hmm? So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. So dirty. Oh, I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. All right, we're leaving. You guys, that is a Buddhist meditation center, and I've always wanted to go. It's like so cool. I mean, like, it's really cool. They have like statues and a garden. Don't worry, you guys, I'm watching the road, but they have like gardens and stuff. And I've always wanted to go there, but I've never been able to stop. Right, here I am at the dispensary. That's kind of sus. I got a half gram.
The phone has been connected.
Okay. Since I'm a little early, I'm going to stop by the Walmart. The Walgreens that's right there, because that's where I found that blue llama / alpaca. So I'm going to stop by there real quick, just because it will only take a few minutes. And hopefully they have some great things. That guy's just vibing. Do you hear that? It's a vibe. Looks like they got the unicorns that were here last time. They're cute. Oh, look at all the ones they have. Hi. I'm glad I got to see you. You're so pretty. So pretty, so handsome. Kitty, you have to leave. Come on. Come on, just stay out here, kitty. Come on. All right, so I usually help my grandparents with a lot of things, so I'm gonna pack the car, as well as I may or may not drive. But yeah. So gotta deal with that. Also, I brought my new kitty pillow, so I can have my cat with me everywhere. She's so cute. I got it for Christmas from my stepsister. Best tacos literally ever. We should go. I see cars. Oh my gosh, we have to go before they close it like forever. When's it gonna close? This is my little suite. Nice. We made it. Now we got all the so much. Sweaters, I don't know, it's summer. Still pack them. And new cutie.
Wow.
The latest.
Alright, so now I'm in Vegas. I'm staying at the Polo Resort for like a week. So we have 7, well mostly 6 days, because not including today, that we have an opportunity to find squishmallows. So that's really cool. So that's going to be a super big vlog. Hopefully not that much longer, like lengthwise. If it is, then I'm sorry. I just like to have these videos be lengthy and have a lot of footage. And so if you guys are like near the area and you see squishmallows there, you guys know what's in store type of thing. And yeah, so, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, it will be multiple days, like I said, so I'll be looking completely different every day. So yeah, I kind of look bad today, but yeah. So I am ready. This is my outfit. I put on a bunch of bracelets. Subtle hints that I'm gay, that is not too obvious. There's also the chakra alignment. And that's my fit. I'm obviously just gonna wear this like tied around my thing, but it's just really cold right now. Then my shoes and my socks, which are constellations I got in my last vlog. We're not required to have masks, but I'm still bringing mine. I am vaccinated, so technically don't need to, but I'm still kind of afraid. But we shall see. Bye.
I switched my bag. I got a couple of purse options. That's just my big bag. Can I do this with one hand? Oh, I need to put my other things on. Alright. I'm all beamed up. Let's go. It's so cute. I need to get it. So expensive though, I would never pay that much. But oh my gosh, I want it. I could get these though. I'm back and I was having some cold apple juice, and I got Ben & Jerry's pineapple passion fruit sorbet with rainbow sprinkles, and there's chunks of pineapple and passion fruit in there.
Let me show you the haul. Stuff I got at Addict Salt. I will show you first. Both these shirts were on sale for $6 each. So this shirt is a beekeeper and it's a little bird. So cute. Extra large and has a little yellow right there. And I got this one. Extra large with purple, and it has like a space theme with like a jellyfish and a bow. And then, oh gosh, I spilled something. Got this little bag. Thought it'd be perfect for crystals. It's a really nice quality as well, and drawstring, so that's cool. Then all the clearance jewelry were $1 each. They're all tangled. I got this skeleton Pegasus unicorn. I got this bird, and I got this reindeer. Very cute. I love deer. So that was that. All in all, I only spent $17. That's really great. At Urban Outfitters, I never buy any of their clothes, even though I would die, because there's so many cute clothes like t-shirts. I only usually buy They're like spiritual things. This is a little crystal ceramic plate, 12 bucks. I have one similar in the same set. But yeah, so this is gonna be great for making offerings, or this is just for my altar. Can burn incense, burn candles, everything. It's just a big flat plate with the moon cycle on it, so that's really great. And I got 2 bags for free, basically, so that's cool. That's all I got.
So that's basically the first night of hanging out in Vegas. We're not gonna do much more.
And I bought these mangoes overpriced. They're like $5, but they're like the best mangoes ever. They're real mangoes, and they just have like a little bit of sugar on it, and it just tastes, they're just so yummy.
Right, inside, that's what they look like. They are very yummy, trust me. I 1000% recommend their real mangoes, and they taste like candy. They are so yummy. You can get them at like the ABC stores. That's where I got them in Vegas. It's cool at night. Having cereal in a cup because we ran out of bowls already. Alright, so what's the next morning? Alright, so it's the next day, and this is what I'm wearing. Just have my hair up. It's gonna be hot, and yeah, just simple. My jeans and shirt are wrinkled, but whatever. Yeah.
My little cousin is coming. They're really cool. They're actually closeted right now. But so I have to call them by their dead name, which is upsetting. And I can't call them by their preferred gender or anything because of my grandparents. They don't even know that I'm, but it's pretty good. So actually, all of the cousins know, like, we're all a little bit, you know what I mean? It's pretty cool. Alright, let's do a haul real quick. Got this candle, smells amazing. This slime I wanted last time. Apparently it smells. Thought it would make super cute slime. So cute. I love butterflies. This giraffe for my altar. I think I'll put some crystals on her. And mushrooms. Put in the little plants. Super cute. And I got candy. These are so good. I got the big boys.
Burger.
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 Burger. Burger. Burger. Burger.
Is this a sock wrap?
Hope we don't die.
Yeah.
Yesterday it didn't work for a second. I thought we were literally gonna fall. I had to jump. I got these earrings. They're really cool looking. Really pretty. And I got this, which I'm excited to open. Katy Perry's on The Simpsons right now. Heck yeah. We've just been hanging out, and yeah, we're gonna go to dinner soon, and I put my new hair clips in. I think they're really cute. So, and I put my hair up in a bun because it really hurt having the ponytail in because it was like really tight. Could have squishmallows, you never know. Yeah, the wallaby darn, that's what I got. Wallaby darn is funny. Onion rings, but not so much just onions themselves, you know, when they're like fried and yummy. Oh, they're very like hot.
Very hot.
You have to cut it because they don't want to come apart.
I was gonna eat it without sauce.
Oh, that's good.
How much do you want?
Really good.
It's definitely the best, I think.
Yeah.
Really moist.
It's my favorite kind of cake.
It's got carrots in it, it's good for you.
Shirt that I got for $6 yesterday, which is pretty good. I want to show you guys what I got. I got a mochi FLEA salamander. Super cute. They had different ones. I thought he was so cute. I mean, look at him. Little salamander. I thought he was the cutest one that they had. So put him right up there. It was $7.99. Super cute. I definitely recommend. They're just as cute as Squishmallows and just as soft. And then I got this little ring, pearl ring. Oh gosh. Very pretty, black pearl. Represents love. $7.99. At this store, I got a poppet and this earth pin, globe pin, because it looks really cool. I love the earth, and I don't know. I think it's really cute. It's $3.99. Then I got this OMG Pop Fidgety Glow in the Dark. It was $11.95, kind of expensive. At the flea market today, where I got the big slaps. I didn't film much, but they had poppets as well, but I'm gonna open up this one real quick.
I've been looking for poppets everywhere. I hope to find some at Five Below. If not, I got this one because it's really cool. I like the shape. Really unnecessary packaging though. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay, here it is. I love the color. Some of them are difficult to pop. Really fun. So happy I got it. So cool. And then a bunch from H&M, which I'll show you guys real quick. Only spent $43 though, which is pretty good considering all the items I got.
First items, I got this dollar scrunchie. It's very big and soft, kind of carpet or sustainable type of fabric. And I got this little green tank top, $4.99. It's kind of like a square fit. And then a gray one, and then I got this kind of, it's kind of like the pool cover-up material. a crop top, and this was $5.99. This oversized shirt in medium. It says "It's Our World with Fairies" and a peace sign, $12.99. This is the back, and it's so cute. I love the color, and I love the fairies and the mushrooms, and just the message is really cute. So yeah, I got that. Next one I got was this oversized t-shirt. I got it in medium, $9.99, pretty good price. And it says "Show More Love." I think it's really cute. I want to color in the earth and maybe the flowers and stuff, and then either keep it like that or just tie-dye it as well. I think it would look super cool. And it's just blank on the back, but I think it is so cute, so I had to go back and get it because I saw it earlier today when I was there with my cousin.
I might fold in some little candies in there, like this, inside of it. I think that would be really cool, so I'm going to do that. And there's different flavors as well, so this is my favorite. It's so good. Alright, so I put 3 of these little strawberry gummies in with, I don't know what flavor this is, I'm assuming strawberry or cherry, so yeah. I'm assuming it's going to be really good. Here's the new ring that I got. I think it's really pretty. It's a little black pearl. So, and I got the hearts because I didn't have any others with the black pearl, but I thought it was pretty, so. Very simple. I can wear it with a bunch of other rings.